Yeah man, on top of the morning this morning guys, come get a few stuff right a yard there. You know, I invite you all along for watch this here video. As usual, we keep it simple. Yeah man. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life. Open active and we give thanks to life as usual. Come on yard. You know energy. Stay positive. Da. It's just a calm and collective. You know something go guys with the stop. You know energy go guys overactive this month. Just the air spread low. Please bro. Yeah man, no place like yard guys. It's a blessing. Trust me. Whew. Tell you. Nice to go. Yeah guys, on top of the morning this morning, let's reason a bit. Been thinking, you know, and I try to think positive. Yeah guys, but it has come to my realization that sometimes you think, well not sometimes, you have some people with a certain level of IQ. Yeah man, folks I see, understand like I self, and know what go on a yard and try to avoid the energy, or I'd say the negative to the fullest. Yeah guys, I'm open active, I just go look on the goat them, but it's just something that happen on a regular basis. Yeah man, I always find it hard to put across the words due to the fact that when you're ignorant things never come across the right way. Yeah guys, so it's good for stay calm and, you know, center yourself before you say anything or do anything. Yeah man, but for me, I'm always trying my best to stay positive. Yeah man, despite of the ups and downs. Remember I just say I'm aware of exactly what's taking place everywhere, but I try my best to avoid it. Yeah man, or walk wide, or, you know, just think positive even when there's nothing there to think positive about. But a few months ago, yeah man, me there yard soak up all of this country energy. Yeah man, and I run low up on cash, I'll be honest with you. Run low up on cash, so you know, I say, let me go up on the road go look a job. Yeah man, I went and I look a job. Try to get a job at least. Yeah. Many places and it never work out. Yeah man. Remember now guys, all of this started out because to go get a job. Because you know, for one, people take step higher. For two, you want somewhere to live. Yeah man. And live comfortable. But cut long story short guys. So I'm on there and, you know, knock here and there and all over the place. And honestly, some of the time you will work and a man look on you as a big man. I'm 30 at the year old and still counting. Yeah man, but it's a shame for them look on you as a big man. You work for weeks, you work for days, and them will give you $2,000. Oh, you will work all 90,000 and them will give you $5,000 a time. Tell me now. All because I'm a simple demeanor, I'm a simple energy. My bad. Choice of words bad. Yeah man. But because I'm simple and easygoing, you know, people tend to take step at the eye man. Yeah man. But with every pipe that you apply pressure within it, after a while it bursts, you know. Yeah man. But anyway guys, let's get into it. Remember me say nothing now go on for me, and me say, you know what, me get up and go look at work, alright, boom. I've been through a lot. Remember me tell you I'm 30 yet. I've been through a lot. But anyway, scratch that. Me get a truck for drive and I say, yeah, this is the job that I want. Yeah man. Cause I was doing security work, you know. Yeah man, at one point in time I used to do some security work as well. Yeah man, fully competent, but you know something going. You look a certain way, it's hard to achieve certain things. Problem is just ugly. So Nobody don't want no ugly man around. But anyway, chit chatting same way, guys. I do the security work and I say, you know, this alright, but we need to put a little bit of pep in my step. Yeah man, because you know something go, we have a little one to take care. So, security work now, we get the opportunity to go art. Yeah man. And I say, alright, I'm running at the art program because it's a commercial truck driving course now. So I say, what? From me a little youth, I grew up with trucking at my yard and all these little things. So you know, it has been a passion that I really wanted to drive truck. Yeah man, so I just reason with my boss, and my boss have a one-on-one like that. And morning. Yeah man, my boss have one-on-one like that. So reason with boss, I say, yo boss, you know, say, to be honest with you, I see a little course I go on with. I go enroll tonight. Yeah man, I start the course. One has been general. Yeah, you don't know which farm I could have get some scratch cocoa and sibling orange. So any amount you get me, if you get around 1-2 bag, I would appreciate it because I just roast up a money. At that. I wouldn't today.
When I tell you about they would have want the bus
Today?
Today, because they know.
Alright.
I want to place over there round.
Yeah.
Round really peaceful there, not today.
Alright. If me can get to him, I'll see him, I can get to him.
You got up the road you want to buy.
Alright. So I must see my number. Yeah, Dada. Bless up, saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, I see you up on the movie I go, man. So I don't know, I just say it to you because probably you know, man.
I want next year.
Yeah.
Like the pool going up.
No.
No,
alright, now watch your face, man. If I not, I will link you back.
Yeah.
Isn't who I can find you still? Alright, my family. Blessings. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, just that chat with broke up just now. Man, as brother. Yeah man, just that chat did broke up just now. But as I was saying, guys, me tell my boss, you know, bossy, I want to do this here course, you know, because I always see myself as a truck driver, you know, from a longer while. Yeah man, so I'd rather have it under my belt and sit down with it, but security work is something I'm passionate about due to the fact that from a longer while as well, we apply for the force, yeah man, but we never make it. Yeah man, so we don't even have to go into that. But anyway, but as you said to me, you can't do your maths, you know. Yeah man, anytime you finish up, you can circle backyard. So I say, alright, no problem. Anyway, I'm go and get the course sorted out. Do my best. Yeah man. And after the course finish now, I say, you know, I shout up my company and you know, say, you know, I'm ready to come back at work. So I shout my supervisor and make sure, you know, say, yo, mom's me forward back, you know. Yeah, man. Manners, dada. Yeah, man. So mom's telling me, say she, me figure a few minutes, she soon talk to me. So I say, okay, I want to. Boom, mom's cut off the call and knock the back again and say, well, Mr. Henry, you know, say, honestly, due to the duration of time we gone for, even though it's not a long time though, but we can't take you back, man, because I hope you upgrade me. I said, Jesus Christ. So what me I go do now? Anyway, up on active see me and I say, you know, we run with the certificate. Blessings, yeah. Run with the certificate and see what we can get. I know something go. It was promised to us when we do the course, I'm saying, the top 5 persons, I'll get the opportunity for travel. So I say, what? That is a plus to get to youths, man. Say for sufferation, done. Bongo dread. So you know that crash. So I say, alright, what to do? Run on for a small company and then take me on. And as I say, it never did 100%. But I appreciate the strength because when you're there, you're nothing going, you know it go. Push come to shove. So I say, alright. We take on the work. I dip on the work and you know, I expect things to progress and get better. Out of the blooms, a man lick me down, run over me 2 foot them. Remember now, I load the truck, you know. with goods in and a man lick me down for the work. Rascal, I don't know. So I get my week's pay. And you know, it's something go from there, so the rest of history. I remember, you know, man, from day one, we've been struggling and I try to get through. Financially, I don't even have to tell you about that, you know. No joke, that make we work for people. But anyway, during the process of time when I could have lose my leg for, sit down and I look at it and I say, you know, say, oh, good dread. Look how me used to go hunt dog all over the place, man, and I know we can't get the gun nowhere. We can't even get the hunt dog, we make $1,000. It's sad. But anyway, I'm there, I look on the foot them and beg them to come back. And honestly, when I see myself and I'm able to can get up, I'm tired out my goat and walk away up the hills. I give thanks, you know. Because a couple of days ago, and even now, you still feel pain. Let me see if I can show you now. This is how the foot look, guys, right now. Ooh. Yeah, man, this is one of the foot. So, if you give thanks, I foot active. Yeah, bro. Because I see where I could have lose my life and nothing come out of it. Nothing at all. So, while you get up and you go from people work, you have to be mindful. Your safety comes first. Yeah, man. Morning, mommy. Yeah, man, the safety comes first. And honestly, if I had the opportunity to pursue it, I believe that I'd get a strength, I say. But no amount of strength that you can't make my foot come back. I wonder if you understand what I say, guys. Yeah, man. This is a lifetime pain when I feel. And the person who hit me, I drive up and down the same way. And I do them one thing. And honestly, guys, as me say, if me not tell you say my foot hurt me, you can't know. And me get up every day and this year walk just to try to get it back to 100%. I know it now I get back to 100, but at the end of the day, nothing try, nothing done. And you have some other people over on the next side. I live scotch free, good, alright, no pain, no nothing. Remember, you know, guys, this man licked me down for my work. See? And not only lick me down for my work. You lick me down for my work, me lose my work, and me come my yard, come sit down. And throughout the time when me sick for, mash up for, me have to force and move around on the sick foot, just to make ends meet. Worse side I make my foot. Yeah, man. I reach a level where I couldn't even go doctor. And so much more, guys. And see me still there at chocolate. Yeah, man, but love and love alone. General. Yeah, man, love and love alone, guys. So despite of that, the only thing I'm grateful for is I don't lose my life. So I'm still there, yeah. Remember to get up, get about, get out there. Do the right thing. Come on, man.